To create a pivot table in Google Sheets, start by selecting the data range you want to analyze, including headers. Ensure your data is well organized and formatted, with each column having a unique header. Next, go to the Insert menu and select Pivot Table. Then choose a cell where you want to place your pivot table. A new sheet will be created with a blank pivot table, where you can configure the rows, columns, values, and filters. To add fields to your pivot table, drag and drop them from the right sidebar into the corresponding areas. For example, you can add a field to the row area to group your data by that field, or add a field to the values area to calculate a sum or average. You can also use filters to narrow down your data and focus on specific subsets. To do this, drag a field to the filters area and select the values you want to include or exclude. Pivot tables allow you to easily rotate and aggregate your data, making it a powerful tool for data analysis. You can use pivot tables to calculate sums, averages, counts, and more, and to create custom calculations using formulas. Some best practices to keep in mind when working with pivot tables include keeping your data organized and up to date, using meaningful and descriptive headers, and using filters and conditional formatting to highlight important trends and insights. By following these steps and best practices, you can create powerful and informative pivot tables in Google Sheets to help you make sense of your data and drive business decisions. To take your pivot tables to the next level, experiment with different configurations and calculations, and use the built-in tools and features in Google Sheets to customize and refine your analysis. With practice and experience, you can become proficient in creating and using pivot tables to unlock the full potential of your data and gain valuable insights that inform and drive your business.